Hi everyone, today we'll install the new item from AVEL company, a 32-inch kitchen TV. It will be installed in a standard cabinet with a width of 900mm. In order to do this, we'll need a screwdriver, a ruler, a pencil, a tap, a drill with a limiter of 5mm, and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, for the installation, we need lifting gears. We have chosen lifting gears from Blum HK29T series. There are similar lifting gears from Keseburma. All compatible lifting mechanisms can be viewed via the link in the description of the video. For the installation, we will use the instruction that comes with a lifting gear. Well, let's get started. Firstly, we will mark up the places for subsequent drilling of holes. Measurement is taken from the upper shelf, from the very edge of the upper shelf. According to the instructions, we must measure 96mm. And so we marked up on one side of the cabinet. Now we will put the same layout on the other side. In order that the drill does not move out of the intended places, we will use a tap or an awl. Now we can drill the holes. According to the instructions, we will use a drill with a diameter of 5mm. The depth of the hole should also be 5mm, so in order not to accidentally make a through hole, we use a limiter on the drill. After we have drilled the holes, we can proceed with the installation of the lifting mechanism. To fix the lifting mechanism in place, we will use screws with length of 35mm and with diameter of 4. I want to draw your attention to the fact that the screws are not included in the package with the Blum lifting mechanism, so they are purchased separately. After this installation, we need to remove the yellow limiters and put the levers in a horizontal position for subsequent mounting of the TV. We will install decorative covers after we mount the TV, as we may need additional adjustments of the lifting mechanism. Now we will prepare the TV for hanging on the lifting mechanism. To do this, we'll fix the counterparts of the lifting mechanism on the rear wall of the TV, in accordance with the marked area. And so we have to hang the TV and set up the lifting mechanism. I draw your attention that with the proper installation, a click can be heard. After that, the TV is fixed and can be lowered. The TV is installed, but as you can see, additional adjustment of the lifting mechanism is required so that the TV is fixed in the open position. To do this, we will make an adjustment with a screwdriver. In order to adjust, we need to lower the slider to the lowest possible position, since our TV is quite heavy. We have adjusted the lifting mechanism. Our TV can be fixed in the open position. The final touch is the installation of decorative overlays. So now we have completed the installation of a 32-inch kitchen TV model AVS 320K. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.